Hey guys, this is Kevin with the Mesquite ISD Help Desk, and today I'm making a video on Google Chrome profile management. So with our students doing distance learning for the time being, these instructions are going to be very helpful for home computers where there's multiple users, and this will make sure that any student that needs to get into their learning materials will be accessing their learning materials and nobody else's. These instructions, I'm going to do them on a Windows PC, but they should be very similar to how you would do it on a Mac as well. So we'll start off by launching Chrome here down at the bottom. And we're going to go ahead and set up two accounts today, one for our student Joe and another one for our student Janine. So right now this is set to my personal account, but for the students, we're going to want to set them up with their very own Google Chrome profile. So what you're going to do is come up here to this little circular button up in the top right, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to add a new Google Chrome user here. So click add. This first one is going to be for Joe, and since it's for his school stuff, we're going to go ahead and just say Joe MISD, and you can pick your icon, and then we're going to go ahead and click add. From here, we're going to go ahead and click get started, and we're going to skip this, and we're going to go ahead and skip this as well. And click continue. And so at this point, we're going to put in the MISD login with the full email address here. So at this point, this is Joe's account. And we're going to say at mesquiteisd.org and click next. And so this should take us to our Mesquite ISD portal at this point. We're going to go ahead and type in the username one more time. This is where your student's username would go. Do not include the at Mesquite ISD portion at this point. And you can go ahead and type in their password, 4273. Okay, so you can save the password if you'd like, and we're going to go over here and click on continue. And we're going to go ahead and link our data. And we're also going to turn on sync. So yes, I'm in. Now our student has access to all of the bookmarks that they've created, and this should be their account at this point. So the next time they log into the portal, here's all of their learning materials right here. So if Joe and Janine are sharing a computer at home, we need to go ahead and do the same step for Janine as well. So we're going to go ahead and come up here again. So now we see that Joe is our Chrome profile that's active right now. And we're going to go ahead and add another Chrome profile. And this one is going to be for Janine. I hope I spelled that right. And so we're going to go through the exact same steps that we did with Joe. Next, we're going to pick the default background, and we're going to go ahead and continue. And so this one is Janine's account. Once again, we're putting in the account name at mesquiteisd.org. Should drop us to the Mesquite ISD portal, where we log in here as well. And so from here we click continue. It looks like Janine has not logged into her Google account yet. So at this point we'd click accept. And if you get this pop up, we're always going to select link data. And yes, I'm in. And so now Janine is logged into her Chrome profile on this computer. And so if we go out again and check, go to portal.mesquiteisd.org. It now logs into Janine's profile here. So from this point on, if Joe or Janine need to get into their accounts, so we're starting from a blank desktop, come down here to Chrome. See, this is reverted back to my own personal account. If we were to go out to the portal, there's no login here. It's it would be trying to pull from my own account. So to manage everybody's account, all you got to do is come up here to the circular button again. If we want to go to Joe's account, we click on here. It opens into a new window. And here we are. We've got Joe logged in. He's in his portal. And it's going to be the same thing for Janine as well. And you'll notice down here that each profile is going to get its own taskbar icon right here. So here's Janine, here's Joe with his Nike icon, and then this is my personal account here. So hopefully this is a resource that you can send to your parents at home needing help managing students' accounts. This is probably going to be the best way to help them get into their portal resources, things like Google Drive, Google Classroom, or anything else that they may be using from home. And if you have any questions for us, teachers, please feel free to email us at the help desk, which is helpdesk@mesquiteisd.org. And we're here with you guys through this these times, so just let us know. All right, thank you.